I'm so excited to introduce to you guys the Rosy Adhairsive. So this is how I secure my wig units for a temporary hold, a non-abrasive hold to my natural hair and to my hairline. So let's get into this tutorial. Our Rosy Adhairsive is blue. I love that it's blue. Yeah, blue. So that you can see that it's real, right? So you can see it's actually working. When it dries, it does dry to a clear, so you don't have to worry about the color. What I like to do is I like to place a nice thin layer of it on my hair, well, in front of my hairline, on my skin where I'm going to secure my wig unit. Now, my hair is natural, so I'll add a little bit of it to my hair because it's like a really, really hard gel, so it'll hold my natural hair back. I use my blow dryer on cool, just to make sure that it gets sticky. So you want to get this sticky. It takes about 3 to 7 seconds for it to get sticky. And as you can see, I'm just testing it to see if it's ready to go to get my unit. So I'm going to grab my custom Rosimoto hair unit, securing the elastic band in the back, and then I'm going to fling my unit back. And I pin the baby hairs back so that it doesn't get in the way, but it still kind of gets in the way anyway. I should have used more clips, but I didn't. So I want to size my wig unit up to see where it goes. And then that's where I'm going to place it right on top of the blue adhesive. So we're just going to secure the wig unit onto where we see our adhesive, attaching our hair or our sideburns down onto our hairline. And you can use more adhesive if you need to. If it's not sticky enough for you, you can go ahead and add it just a little bit more. So I'm just pressing the unit into my sides to make sure that it is secure. Now you can actually use a blow dryer. You can actually use a blow dryer on cool setting if you want to go ahead and secure a little bit more. So let's just get into the styling of our unit. So I'm going to grab my Rosy Hold styling gel. You can get this on our website, www.rosimoto.com. And then I'm just going to cover my lace. Well, you know, hide the lace a little bit with some flyaways. I'm not really big on baby hairs, but I'll just add just a little bit. I'll push a little bit forward just to cover our line of demarcation. So that's what I'm just doing here. And I'm just using an old toothbrush to style my edges. And I'm placing it in order to go ahead and get it ready for me to lay it down. So I'll do this little by little. I like to do mine in sections. So I'll do like one side and then I'll make my way over to the other side, brushing the baby hairs or flyaways just in front of the lace so that, again, it hides the line of demarcation. Now you can go crazy with these. You can do your finger waves or whatever, but I just kind of like to add little swoops here and there to make it just look as natural as possible since I don't leave any of my hair out. This is a frontal unit, so the hair covers from ear to ear. None of your natural hair is left out. The frontal unit comes before or in front of your ear, so you never have to worry about leaving your natural hair out. This is great for any kind of style for wig. Now I'm using a wrap strip. You can use a silk scarf, a satin scarf to lay your baby hairs down. This also helps to adhere or to make your Rosy adhesive cure a little bit more with your wig. Now you can wait a couple seconds, do your makeup, and let your edges cure. You could add a blow drying of a little bit, of about 3 to 5 seconds on cool to make sure that everything is stuck in place. Take your wrap strip off, define your part, and brush your hair out and get ready for whatever the day has in store for you. But you know that your wig is secure, so that's the last thing you have to worry about. Tuck behind your ear, you know, and get ready for the road. So this is how I secure my wig unit from day to day. This is a temporary hold and you can remove with shampoo and water, or you could use alcohol, but I think alcohol is a little bit abrasive. So I usually just use like a little shampoo, warm water, and this sucker pops right off. So this is for a temporary hold. Like I said, I used to love Got2b glue. I still do, but it would be a little bit abrasive for me. So this Rosy adhesive is something that I've tried and tested, and I love it for a temporary hold. Can switch your wigs up as often as you like, and you never have to worry about damaging your hairline or your edges. And now we slay. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe or share this video and tag all your friends who need to get this Rosy adhesive. Shop Rosimoto.com.